You don't need a green screen to get a clean background anymore. In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to remove the background from your video, from a quick online tool to a simple editing workflow that actually works. I'll walk you through how each option works, what are the pros, what are the cons, and which one will be the best fit for you. By the end, I'll also show you the easiest way to create new backgrounds using AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first method is online background removing tools. There are a few popular options out there like Unscreen, Capwing, Veed, and also Canva. And they all work in a pretty similar way, so instead of going over all of these, I'll just show you the process using Canva. Alright, so I'm inside Canva now, and first I'll click Create a Design, and here at the top then I choose Video. Now I'll upload my video and drag it onto the canvas. Once the video is selected, I click on the clip, and up here at the toolbar you would see this option called BG, which means Background Remover. I'll click on that, Canva process it for a few seconds, and the background is gone. That's really all there is to it. There is no masking or green screen involved. One thing you should know, however, background removal for video in Canva is part of the Pro plan, which costs around $12.99 per month, so this isn't available in the free version. Now, in terms of results, this actually works pretty well for simple videos. If you have a clean shot, decent lighting, and you're working with a short clip, it gets the job done. But this is also where the limitations start to show. You don't get much control if the cutout isn't perfect, and things like hair or hands, they can look a bit rough. So to sum it up, online tools like this are fast and convenient, and they are great when you just need something quick. But they are not ideal if you want really clean edges, more control, or you're working on longer, more professional videos. And that's why a lot of creators eventually move on to more advanced AI tools, which is what we'll look at next. So the next option is AI video editing tools, and 2 popular examples here are Runway and Descript. Let me quickly show you how this works in Runway. Once you're inside Runway, you start a new project and upload your video. After that, you select the clip on the timeline, and then you choose the green screen tool from the tools panel. Runway's AI automatically detects the subject and removes the background by creating a mask for you. From there, you can place a new background underneath or export the cutout clip. The big advantage here is quality. The cutouts are usually much cleaner, especially when there's also movement, messy hair, or complex backgrounds. These tools are also great if you're working with AI-generated footage or doing more creative edits. But the downside is the learning curve. If you've never used any AI video tools before, it might take you some time to get comfortable with the interface and also with the workflow. The third and final method we have is Movavi AI Background Remover. This sits right in the middle between the other 2 options. It's more powerful and more flexible than online tools, but way easier to use than more AI advanced platforms. Once you open Movavi, you import your video and drag it onto the timeline, just like in any other editor. Then you click on the clip, you go to Tools and choose Background Removal. From here, Movavi Video Editor gives you 2 options, Quick and Precise. Quick is exactly what it sounds like. It's fast, one click, it's great for clean shots, and Precise takes a little bit longer, but it gives you cleaner edges, especially around hair and also movement. Once the background is removed, you can drop in a new background by importing an image or a video. Just drop it onto the track underneath and it instantly sits behind your subject. And this is the reason why I personally prefer doing this in Movavi. I don't have to export anything or jump between tools. I can keep editing my video, trim the clip, add text, adjust the audio, make color tweaks, all in the same tool. And now, as a quick bonus, I'll also show you how you can generate a brand new background using AI and use it in your video. So in Kling, I type in a short prompt, something like a modern studio background with modern soft light, and let AI generate it. Once the background is ready, I download the clip and bring it back into Movavi Video Editor. And that's it. The AI background now sits behind me, the lighting looks natural, and everything feels like it was shot that way on purpose. Alright, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to check out Movavi Video Editor and use the code VLOG20 for a 20% discount on your annual plan. The link is down in the description, and before you go, tell us in the comment what is your favorite video background removing tool. I'll see you in the next one.